everybody, today we are making some slime, and this is probably my second slime video. So we're going to need like a container, it can be any size, and then you're going to need a clean spoon, which I don't really have, so let's just peel that. It's fine, let me use my bin over here. Clean spoons and put in the dirty one for cleaning. Okay. Oh, I also need that. I think we're all prepared now. I don't really need this necessarily, but whatever. Okay. So first you're gonna get glue. This is like a small little recipe of slime. So you're gonna get like glue and stuff. Oh god, this is like in the camera. There we go. Gonna get glue. A ton of glue, gosh. It's a ton of glue, yeah. Totally a ton of glue inside of here. Okay, next you're going to add whatever you want to add. So I would add lotion. Well, next you're going to add lotion, whatever you want to add, because this is my recipe. Add a lot of lotion, like at least 4 pumps. Shaving foam. And baby oil. Oh god. I honestly can't open this stuff. Oh god. Oh, I did it! Round of applause for me in the chat right now. Okay, so add a bit of that. I'd add 3 pumps, like 3 little squirts of it. Okay, now let's add in your color. So I think I'm gonna add red, see if it turns out like pink. There we go. Now a bit of activator. To make activator you need hot water and borax, and you're going to mix it together, and then you can put it inside of one of these, or you can just put it inside of one of these, or like anything that you can pour it in. Oh god. No, don't tell me I got red on my finger. Now you're gonna start to mix if you added color, but I would actually mix them even if you didn't. Wait, why is it turning purple? I wanted pink, but it's really cool, bright little purple here. Look, it's purple. What the world? What? It says here, it says red, yellow, green, and blue. I don't understand. Maybe it was one of the ingredients that I added in that made it like that, but yeah, I think that's just what happens, because if you want a good slime, this is what you gotta do. Oh god, the activator is not coming together. properly, like the way it should. Now I have to go eat, so I will make a part 2 after I just add this activator. My slime turned out really good. It was kind of like a butter slime when I got it. Coming! It's kind of like a butter slime. After you finish mixing it, I'll just tell you the last step. You have to let it dry, and I think it comes, like, not too long. I'm coming! I know! I'm coming! You have to let it dry for at least an hour, and then, like, lid on, but not press down. You just want it on top, not pressing it down. You just want, like, lay it on top. When you finish mixing, and then it actually forms a good slime, like my sister's. Maybe I would do it 30 minutes drying. This is Elmer's glue, by the way. If you use any, like, craft glue, I'm telling you right now, it will not work. So, I'm very sorry to tell you, but craft glue does not work for this. Okay, I didn't push it down yet. Okay. Well, I will see you in the next video showing you guys the results. And yeah, bye.